In the Fremont neighborhood of Seattle, there's a small little restaurant making a big splash on the food scene. Meesha's unique and flavorful twist on traditional Indian cuisine keeps people coming back time and time again.
Fun drinks, fun food, shareable meals.
It's amazing. It's really, really good. I'm enjoying it a lot.
I think this is one of those restaurants where you'll try it once and then you'll be like, yo, we'll definitely be back. It's definitely a comeback for sure.
People know when they're coming to Meesha, they are getting really flavorful, contemporary Indian cuisine.
Owner Preeti Agarwal is bringing Indian-inspired dishes to Seattle using local ingredients and unique flavor profiles.
Seattle, that way, is so good. They really take their food seriously and they really appreciate good food, high quality food with local ingredients. That's the thing I really love about Seattle.
Everything is really fresh. It's just these creative preparations. I mean, there's a lot of care paid to every ingredient.
I don't know, it's just really bright and fresh and good.
How do I describe this food? Indian food done really well, with a little twist.
Our vegetables are all locally grown here that we get. We do have small farms from where we're getting our chicken, plus Indian stuff also that I get, the spices and everything.
So you're supporting the community.
Always.
Yeah.
Don't miss later in the show when Preeti and I make a unique chaat dish.
It's like an explosion of flavor.